This tutorial is on where to get option chain data presented in a bar chart for free. Enter Edelweiss in the search box. Click on edelweiss.in. From the tabs, go to Watch Markets. From the list, click on Option Chain. Modify the specifications as per your need, and click on Get Option Chain. Scroll down, and click on See Option Structure Chart. There you go, option chain data presented in a bar chart. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe the channel for more such videos and press bell icon to receive notifications.